Hi 6B. Today you're going to be figuring out your groups and your project topic for your services action activity. So today you're going to be picking what you're going to do, who you're going to do it with, and try to find a source that will help you complete your project. For today's assignment, you have to complete and submit this document here. Each of you have to do that. But to do that and to complete that document, which is this one right here, you have to pick who you're working with, what you are doing, which project you are doing, and find a link to a video or an article that describes how to do or gives tips for the thing that you might want to do. Okay? So, the first thing that you need to do, or the first things you need to do are choose your groups and your topic. So you can either pick the people you want to work with first or pick the topic you want to work with first. Either way, that should help you find your group members. So you're allowed to choose your own groups, but they have to be between 3 and 4 members per group. There can be no more or no less in each group. And you can only pick from these topics here. So you can only pick from these 4 topics because these were the most popular ones based on last week's survey. What you're going to do is write in this document here the people you will be working with, their names, and the topic you have chosen to do together, the project you've chosen to do from this list of 4. It's okay if 2 groups have the same topic. It's not one group only one group can do each thing, but you each just have to choose one that your whole group is working on together. Okay, so multiple groups can work on the same thing, but you each have to choose one of these 4. If you need help finding group members, if you don't know who you want to work with, write in the comments of this assignment post, or you can come to a Google Meet with me and Mr. Brad between 12:15 and 12:30 to help you find each other. So if you know who you want to work with, or you want to email or text each other to figure out who you're going to work with first, that's okay. You can do that. But if you don't want to do that, you can't text or call each other, that's okay. Just come on the Google Meet and me and Mr. Brad will help you find a group. So you can either find a group on your own or you can come and let us help you find one. If you want to talk in the comments of this post and maybe write, "Hi, I'm interested in doing number 1 or number 2, then that means that maybe someone else is also interested in those and you can form a group that way. So what you must do today is you must complete this doc. You must pick your group and you must pick your topic. If you need help with that, please ask me and Mr. Brad and we will help you. And then the source, you have to find one source to help you learn more about how to complete your project. So if you chose videos of reading children's books, maybe you find an article about how to read to children, or you find a video about the best children's books. Maybe if you're going to be creating TikToks, maybe you look up articles on how to make a viral TikTok, or how to, or what kind of exercises are the best to include in our daily lives. So then that way you can understand more about fitness. So you're going to look up and find sources that will help you understand these and just put one. Each of you in your group has to find a different source, but you can each, as you fill in your documents, just find one source that will help you and your group create your project. So you're finding group members, the topic, the project that you'll be working on, the topic of the project you'll be working on, and a source to help you complete it. If you need any help, me and Mr. Brad are here to help you. Good luck, and can't wait to see what you come up with. Bye, guys.